What's good, YouTube?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Joseph.
It's your boy Prince.
Today, we're back with another video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this time we have the Atrix Charging Station for the PlayStation 5. As you can see, we have the two controllers over here. So basically, we're just going to unbox this, take a look at it,
and place it on the charger.
So basically, that's what this video is about. Is the Atrix Charging Station for the PlayStation 5. Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Go.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, as you can see, this is what came out of the box. Is the charging station. Obviously nothing too crazy, just pretty much basic.
Exactly. And it also comes with a cable plugs that you plugged it in to charge it, as you can charge your controller as well. So
exactly.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a USB-C. So, you know, we're just about to plug it in, you know, check it out and see how it works with the two PlayStation 5 controllers. Oh, wow.
And it turns on blue when you plug the charger in.
One of my cousin has one of these, and he says that the cool feature that this thing have is there's actually two lights. One is blue and then one is red. And basically, if the controller that you're charging says red, the first one says red, it's not done charging. It will only turn blue, just like the blue over here when the controller is basically charging. Oh, as you can see, this one is obviously not charged. So that's why you have the red LED indicator, and then this one, the white one, is actually charged. That is why it says blue, basically. So it's
so self-explanatory. No.
Exactly. Overall,
simple to use.
Yeah.
If for example, if you're playing one controller, you can charge the other controller while you're playing it. You know, it's very self-explanatory.
Yeah. You don't need all that, you know, plug in the cable every time, you know, to charge it. You can just charge both of them at the same time and, you know, get the battery out of it. So, you know, that's essentially what the charger is about, and the features that it has. I like the colors where, you know, it actually indicates that, oh, you know, it's charged or it's not charged.
It's not expensive at all. It's
$20.
Yeah, less than $20. So
yeah, and
you can get it from GameStop. Pretty cool device.
Yeah. But I think Amazon and all these retailers, they also have it as well. So just make sure, you know, we will leave a link to the where we bought it from, GameStop.
Go copy
if you want to copy that. Exactly. So yeah, that's essentially what this video is about. You know, we just wanted to just make a quick unbox, kind of just first look, take a look at it, and
yes sir.
You know, just tell you guys about it in case you guys doesn't know.
Right.
So that's what this video is about. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Until next time.
We'll catch you guys again.
Yeah.